Stop recording. Mute desktop. Volume. Mute desktop audio. Mute mix/o. Mute.
Okay, guys. Hello again. Why am I not good with introductions? I am not good with introductions. Okay. So this is going to be a review of the Titan application suite thing. When basically what this is, it basically has everything Elton has. Elton has
Desktop.
Elton has like its just like how Elton has its own program things like the file manager and everything. Titan App Suite is basically that. So
Run Reaper. License.rkt. Titan. Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. App. Ops. Titan App Suite column 3 of 3.
I will put the link to this in the description, but do note that it's going to be in Polish because it was written by another blind person from Poland, just the same way as Elton was, but so Titan has an application suite. You have your, and I would recommend using the portable copy because the setup one is, well, there is no setup one, but so you have your main application suite. You have the 11 Labs client,
11
which
Labs
doesn't work.
Download Manager.
Download Manager, which I assume takes you,
Titan Download Manager. Open download folder.
that opens your download.
Open download folder. T Downloader. File Explorer. T Downloader. 1 of 1. Earlier. Today. Pick 8. 1 of 9. Earlier this month. Earlier this month. App. TCE. 2 of 9. Table.c.
TCE.
Titan
Yeah, Titan basically has its own. Titan basically has its own app thing, including a browser that gives you the Titan computer environment thing as the main thing,
Titan download.
which is currently in Polish, so I would use Instant Translate to translate it to English because it, well,
Titan download. Titan download manager. Open. Titan app suite. App. Text editor.
text editor, you can go through text files and edit text, and
File man.
it doesn't work. It's in beta.
File manager.
File Manager does work though, and I will show that.
Current directory. Chemist. App data. Date mod. D. Docket D. Downloads. Documents. Date modified. When. Chemist. Date.
It takes you to your main user directory
Oh.
by default.
Default user. Date modified. 20. 3. Oh. OneDrive. Desktop.
Actually good.
Titan. Ops. 30.
Is my
Mute desktop. Mute desktop. Zoom in. Scale.
Come on.
Sources. Game capture. Display capture.
Okay.
Scenes. Scene. Filters. Properties. Scale to window. Zoom in. Zoom. Display HP all. Scale canvas. Output. Cat scale to. File manager. 01 column 2. File manager. Current direct. Documents. Date modified. Alter on sound. FV. Converted MIDI file. P.
I assume it can play audio files. I don't know.
RIP. Ring 1.mp3. Oh. Switch to library.
Oh, it just opens in media player. Okay.
Change in your personal message. Ring 1. Alert. Change in your personal message. Ring 1.
Ignore
Ring
that,
1.
guys. That is Windows Live Messenger being stupid.
Converted MIDI files. Date modified. 2026. 04. 26 744 20. Documents. Date modified.
But yeah, it basically works as an file manager and
OneDrive. Date mod. Chemist. Date mod. Users. Date.
exit with Alt F4 because the escape actually.
Invisible in desktop. Type.
I forgot T.
Edge of table to use invisible interface. Press Tilde key. Titan UI on. Titan UI off.
Oh,
Task.
interesting. But what's different here?
Titan UI on.
Is it like Windows Alt something? Is there like a help menu for that?
Titan UI off.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that off because I don't know what it does really.
Test. Titan 36 of 62.
I might just relaunch it anyway.
Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. Titan App Suite column 3 of 3. Titan App. Download Manager.
The sounds here are based on Windows Vista, ICQ, and everything, but
Text Editor. Download Manager.
okay. So
Game list 2 of 4. Titan IM 3 of 4. Titan IM. Telegram. Facebook Message. WhatsApp. Titan. Net. Beta.
Titan also has its own social network. And then it also has a game thing, but...
Status bar. Clock 11.
And then you can access
Clock.
your Windows stuff from Titan as well.
Volume 6. O question mark. Chono Z setup. EC.
That means network in Polish, probably. What, Wi-Fi? I don't know.
CPU. 13%. Titan IM. Titan. Net. Beta. Titan. Net. Beta. Elton Link. Beta.
Titan also works with Elton Link. I don't know how Tomatin did that though.
Connect to Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link is a social network for the blind. Connect to chat. Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Beta. Menu. Contacts. What's new? New messages 1. New post and follow threads 1. New comments on your blog 5.
Yeah, it shows basically your Elton stuff from Titan. That way you don't have to go to Elton manually.
Contacts.
Go through your contacts.
136 contacts. Aaron. Adesatula. Addison release. Aiden. Ames. AJ. AJ2. Elchipers. Eldenmask. Alex Spectrum 93. Alfie. Amira. Axel's Universe. Azaya. Lazy. Enterprises. Contacts. Conversation.
Go to your conversations, which is same as messages. It is kind of buggy because you can't even go through your...
96 conversations. To Tomatin. Last message to Tomatin. Re. I think Titan made my system lag. 2026. 0. 2 conversations. I think Titan made my system lag. Panel. Message. Chat with the Tomatin. Back.
Nice.
10. Message. Chat with the Tomatin uninstallable. Work and delete. Work it up. Carriage return.
That is broken. How do you go through
10.
messages?
Back. Chat with the Tomatin. Back.
I'm gonna have to
2
do the
conversations.
alphabet.
Chat. Desktop. Titan. 36 of 62. Titan. 36 of 62. To use invisible interface, press tilde key. Titan UI on.
Okay.
Titan UI off.
Yeah, I'm leaving that off. I don't know what the heck it did.
Elton Link. Elton Link. Question about the sound theme. I think Titan made my system lag. To Tomatin 2026. 04. 26 11 21. Question. I think.
Unfortunately, unfortunately this is bugged out. So, unfortunately this is bugged out. So you won't be. I don't think it's gonna be able to let you read the message unless you have to have some type of.
Titan games. What is Titan? System requirements.
Oh, it does have a help menu. Okay.
Elton Link. Beta. I think Titan made my system lag. Panel. Message. Send. Panel. 2 con.
Yep, it does have a. It does have a help menu. Okay. I'm gonna watch it to see what the heck. Because
Elton. 2.5.2.7. Welcome.
Does it detect when?
What's new? New messages. What? My cogn.
Yeah, that is broken.
If modify system interface is turned on, TCE will replace temporarily File Explorer with its file manager. Messages and conversation. Exit hide program.
Okay, good to know. Good to know. That makes sense why it's being done. Okay.
Titan games. System requirements. System requirements. Graphical interface keyboard shortcuts. What is Titan?
Okay. I'm going to go what is Titan here because this is going to be
System. What is Titan? System. What is Titan? Titan Computer Environment. TCE is a comprehensive desktop environment designed specifically for blind and visually impaired users. The system features high accessibility and intuitive interface and full customization capabilities tailored to individual user needs. What? System requirements.
Guess it's going to be your usual Windows 11. So on.
Graphical interface keyboard shortcut. Control plus tab. Switch between application list and games list. Toolbar for control plus tab. Switch between application list and games list. Visually impaired users can also use the toolbar for mouse navigation.
Yeah, so I think what they did here when he designed this thing was he made it to where you could like I think the games thing has like a thing where you could sync like if you had Hearthstone and whatever other mainstream audio game thing and then just putting like your game library thing.
Tab. Switch between application / games list and status bar. Shift plus F10. Activate context menu for selected item. Alt. Activate main program menu.
Okay, yes it does.
Application system. Titan applications are independent programs written in Python or compiled to executable files. .x. The only element connecting TCE with an application is the appropriate configuration entry. All default TCE applications are developed according to TCE standards characterized by simplicity, intuitiveness, and configurability.
Okay.
Game system. Titan offers full support for TCE games and external entertainment applications. The system does not include built-in games by default.
So you could probably put Hearthstone through this, or like some NVGT non-visual gaming toolkit audio game through this. I don't know.
Titan IM. The Titan IM module provides integration with popular messengers, Telegram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Due to technical limitations, WhatsApp and Messenger operate as web applications, integrated with TCE through dedicated scripts.
It also now has Elton and their own IM service, but I have not tested that yet.
Status bar. The status bar displays key system information such as current time, battery level, system volume, and network connection status.
Excluding desktop users, it will show the battery thing. My computer does not have the battery because it's a desktop.
Invisible interface. After minimizing the main window, Titan automatically switches to invisible interface mode. This mode enables full program control from any system application without the need to switch windows.
Does it have a...
Invisible interface keyboard shortcut.
Yes,
The control plus shift combination serves as the primary modifier in the invisible interface and documentation. Shortcuts are presented as Titan plus key for simplified notation. Titan plus arrows. Navigation in 4 directions. Up, down, left, right. Up/down arrows switch between categories and left/right switch between elements in a given category. In widgets, arrows provide standard directional navigation. Titan plus enter. Activate selected element.
Okay, so basically similar to Elton, except not control Windows, alt control shift. Interesting.
Titan plus backspace or Titan plus ESC. Exit current widget. Till key. Till key. Toggle Titan UI mode. Titan UI mode. Titan UI mode enables interface navigation using only arrow keys without the need to hold additional modifiers. This provides even greater user comfort for those preferring simplified navigation. Modifiers. This provides even greater user comfort for
Okay, and that's basically it.
Desktop. Titan. 36 of
And
62.
this thing will go to UI mode. So I
Taskbar
guess,
expand. Titan UI on. Games. Applications.
yeah, you could basically access Titan from the...
Games. Widgets. Titan IM.
Whoa! Hold on, run that back. Yahoo AI. Okay, that is a Yahoo sound. This thing has stolen sounds from Yahoo, AIM, ICQ.
Status bar. Titan IM. Widgets. Titan IM. Facebook Messenger. WhatsApp. Titan. Elton link. Data.
Yeah, it will, unless...
Connecting to Elton link. Data.
Okay, let's...
Connected successful Elton link. Data. What's new? New post and follow threads. 1. New comments on your blog. 5.
That was...
Example IM. Elton link. Widgets. Titan IM. Faymat Elton link. Exam status bar. Menu. Program settings. Component manager. Help. Back to graphical interface. Help. Program settings.
Does it have a menu? Okay, yes, it does have a program settings thing.
Help. Program settings.
But it's
Macros.
barely working.
Menu. Program help. Back exit. Titan UI. Taskbar. Up. Elton link. Data.
Most of
Column
these
1
are
1.
still in beta, so it will not work.
Question about the sound theme. Titomaton. I think. Question. I think Titan made my system lag. Titomaton. 96 converse. A random Elton group V2. Titomaton. Last message.
Okay, explains why my stuff had been lagging this entire time. Okay.
Contacts. Conversations. Forum. Blogs. Online news. What's new?
Settings. And,
Online
and
users.
it gives you the online users list from Elton, I assume, so
79 users online. Aiden. Ames. AJ. Alex 77. Anis. Lints of 26. Blind Tech Productions. Blue Dragon. Bratchik 96. Camila. Seed of 2001. Cooljude 9087.
Yeah, basically it gives you the Elton online users thing.
Conversations. Forum. Blogs. Online users. What's new?
Disregard that.
Manage my account. Disconnect. 11:30. File. Alt. Refresh. F. New message. Disconnect. Control. Refresh. New message. File. View. Alt. Account. Alt. Help. Alt. System. File. Alt. Elton.
How do you access... Oh.
Info. F10. NVDA.
Shift of...
Map. Blogs. Forum. Conversations. 96 converse. Contact. Open O. User Titomaton. U. Mark as read. New message N. Mark all as read. Search S. Elton. A random Elton group V2.0. Last message. Dobby. Re. Context. Open O. Elton link. Data. Chat with A01 ALSMFW. P6. Zaku 5i5KQ. AW 20305 FRMQ4 IY1 FBA Abbas YGO K92. Loading. 5 conversations. General / main. Dobby 2026. Panel. Message.
Only issue is, how do you go through messages on this thing? It does not...
Chat with AZ test. Test. Duh. Mayo Aragunda. When it works. Contact.
Oh! It gives you a history, okay.
2026. 04. Let's hope that this group doesn't go downhill. 2026. 04. 02.
Why is it giving you a thing from descending all the way to...
2026.
Oh, okay, that's what you have to
Let's
do.
press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus 20. Wall.
Okay, so I think what it did is it fetched like the oldest the thing's going from oldest to newest messages instead of. Well, no, I think it is going from newest to oldest instead of oldest to newest. I don't know if you can
Input F10. FVDA.
shift it.
Contact. Undo. Redo. Cut. Copy. Paste. Delete. Select all. Undo. Redo.
Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay.
2026. Copy.
Confirms what I already knew.
I think contact is a bit. Tired tone not seen. Panel 5.
Yeah, okay. Point proven. It does give you a history.
96 conversations. Macros 404. Application list 1 of 4. A random Elton group. Tatomaton. Last message. Back. Back.
Back.
Settings. Settings category.
Confirms
General.
what I already.
Sound.
Sound.
Select sound theme. Default. Longhorn. Ubuntu Emacs. Voiceover. Windows 9X theme.
Ubuntu Emacs Speak. I am very well assuming this is based off of the Emacs Speak sound theme for Elton that I created. I could be very wrong.
Voice of Ubuntu Emacs. Longhorn. Default. Longhorn. Ubuntu Emacs. Stereo sounds.
Yeah, I'm gonna set that.
Sound theme volume 100. Save. Set. Elton link. Data. Elton link. Data. Conversation. Contact. BX. Player. B. Titan. Titan Parada. Jessley Cessus Dog Temet. Titan UI off. Titan UI on. Titan UI off.
Okay, it confirms
Reaper.
that.
Titan. Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. Application. Download manager. 11.
Except half the sounds are still default.
Download.
Probably.
Text editor. File manager. File manager. File manager. App data.
Yeah, point proven. It's basically out. The Emacs Speak theme. I did port it to TCE. Okay.
App data. Date modified. 2026. Titan App Suite. Multimedia. File manager. Game list 2 of 4. Titan IM 3 of 4. Telegram. E. Elton link. Connect to Elton link. Data. Elton link is a social network for. Welcome. Conversations. Contacts. What's new? New posts and follow threads. 1. New comments on your blog. 5.
How do you go there?
Input LF9. FVD.
The
Converse. Contacts. In desktop. Titan 30. Titan UI. Download text editor. File man. Multimedia notes. Organizer. Web browser. Organ note. U5 text down 11 labs. Client. Games. Widgets. Titan IM. Status bar. Menu. Macros. Menu. Program settings. Help. Back to help. Program settings. Help. Program set macros. Menu. Status bar.
Okay, then you have to read
Elton link. Data.
because it doesn't.
Desktop. Titan 36 of 62.
This is basically like. This is basically like Klango where it just
Dragon. Elton.
disregard my Elton notifications. This is basically like Klango where
Taskbar collapsed. Titan IM. Status bar. Taskbar expand.
the when invisible interface when you minimize. I don't know if control Windows Alt.
Menu.
Okay.
Macros. Components. Article viewer. This daily media part macro macros. Menu.
Yeah, half the thing is in Polish, so it still works, but
Program settings.
it's not fully translated yet, and I don't know if we're gonna get a full translation.
Help. Back to graphical interface. Help program settings.
Assuming
Titan UI off. BX player
I'm
B.X.
going
Titan.
to assume that works.
Elton. Date and time. Elton link. Appli.
Get over here, you.
Date.
Before I explode.
Titan app suite. Status bar. Clock 11:30. Application. Game list 2 of 4. Titan IM 3 of 4. Macros 4 of 4. Application list 1 of 4. Game list 2 of 4. Game. Status bar. Titan IM macros. Application list. 11 labs client. Down. Notes. Organ. Web browser. Input LF10. NVDA. Contact. Run web browser. Uninstall web browser. Run web browser. Organizer. Notes. Zlundler.
Is organizer like a reminder thing?
Multimedia.
Notes.
T notes.
It also has a note thing. I guess you can create a new note with that control plus and
New note. Enter note title. R T S. OK.
test.
New note title. Selected test. Content. T S T. T C E. O T. A I N G. Test with it. T C E. Note thing. Save.
Save.
Note saved.
Okay. Point proof and that does work.
Test date created.
So it is basically like Elton.
New folder. Delete. Back.
Back.
Test. Back.
Also gonna head back.
Test date created 2026. Titan app suite. App. Multimedia. File manager. Download. 11 labs clock. Download. Status bar. Application list. Game list. Titan IM. Macros 4. Application list 1 of 4. Application list. Parada. Chinese.
Oh, stop being dumb. Let me translate that.
Tip, did you know that Titan has the ability to install and create audio themes for the main program interface? The audio themes directory is in the SFX directory and the main program directory is C. Titan.
Yeah, which unfortunately... Is this like Cosmic... Oh. So basically like a mud multi-user dungeon where it gives you tips for when you first start using the okay.
Program, Alt plus
Good
P.
to know.
Install data package, I. Component manager, program settings P.
Program
Settings, sound.
to assume
Select sound theme, Longhorn, default, Longhorn.
Longhorn.
Stereo sounds. Select sound theme, lock, settings category, cancel, save. Setting, Titan app, download manager, 11 labs client.
Confirms what I already knew. Okay.
Desktop, Titan, 36 of 62, Titan, 36 of 62. Taskbar.
Note to those that will confuse the Longhorn sounds with the Samsung XP sounds. As Samsung, that is the Samsung sound theme for Windows XP. And as such, it is not... it is not used in actual Windows Longhorn. Longhorn itself just uses the XP sounds, I assume. I have not tested any Windows Longhorn builds yet, so I don't really know. That's
68 volume level, 70, 72 volume level, 70 volume level, 774 volume, 76 volume level.
Wait, why is it using 3 separate sound themes?
The taskbar collapsed.
Oh, I need to...
Type. Ops. Settings category. General.
Oh, let me quit
Desktop.
that version.
Ops. Mayo. Ops. 32.1. Ops. Filters. Desktop. Reaper. Titan.
Let me look at this.
Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. Titan app suite. Game list. Titan IM. Macros 4. Application list 1 of 4. Game list. Titan IM 3 of 4. Program. Switch to Pro. Install data. Help. Program settings. Setting. Language. English. Settings category. General. Sound. Select sound theme. Longhorn. V. Voiceover. Stereo sound theme. Save. Set. Titan app. Telegram. Facebook Message. WhatsApp.
Why am I...
Desktop.
I am not using...
74 volume level. Titan.
Oh, let me... Oh, hold on.
Ops. Mayoa to target.chat. Available. Column 2 of 2.
Let me see that. Because I may have like
processes.
4 instances of Titan open, and I gotta close every last one.
Processes. Apps. Task manager. T. Background processes. Titan.x level 1.
Closing.
Processes. Open. Processes. App. T. Task manager. Level 1. T. Background processes. Processes. Apps. Ops. Task manager. Level 1. Windows Live ST. Background processes. Titan.x level 1.
Yeah.
Processes. Pros T. Background processes. Titan.x. Processes. Open. Pros T. Background processes. Titan.x. Processes.
Yeah.
Desktop.
I knew something was going
Titan.
on. Okay.
Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. 774 volume level. Taskbar. Titan app suite column 5. 11 labs client.
I should just disable my NVDA sounds. It's gonna interfere.
Program. Switch to program. Alt plus P. Install data package. Program. Download manager. 11 labs client. Download manager. Text editor. File manager. Multimedia.
At this point, okay. It was coded in Python. Okay.
Notes. File manager. Organizer.
How do you get to
Game list. Titan IM. LE. Elton Link. Connect to Elton Link. Data. Elton Link is a social network for the... Welcome. Elton Link. Data. What's new?
Blind.
New posts and follow threads. 1. New comments on your blog. 5. Conversations. Forum. Blogs. Managed blogs. Free managed blogs. The Blazy blog. 217 posts. A random blog with friends reborn. Managed blogs.
I'm going to
File.
set this
New.
up.
File.
Probably set
Refresh.
it.
New message. Disconnect. Refresh. New message. Disconnect. Restore. Refresh. Menu control plus HM. Contacts control plus 1C. Conversations control.
Disregard that.
Forum control. Blogs online. Menu control. Contacts menu Elton Link. Data. Conversations. Forum. Logs. Online users. What's new? Manage my account. Disconnect. Contacts.
Get over here, you.
File. View. Account. Help. Zip. Account. Alt plus. Manage. View account. Manage my account. Control plus 6M. Manage my account. Control plus 6M. Account. File. Alt plus F. Titan app suite. Program. Alt. Install. Application. Program set. Help. Setting. Sound. Select the voiceover. Windows 9X theme. Voice. Law. Lingo class. Lingo classic. Default. Longhorn. Ubuntu Emacs speak. Voiceover. Windows 9X theme. Settings category. Select stereo sounds. Sound theme volume. Save. Set Titan app suite. Elton list. Example Titan. Example I am module with unified sounds. New message sound. Message sent sound. New message sound. Message sent sound. User online sound. User offline sound. Notification. Connection failed. Success notification. Connected successfully. Close. Titan app suite. Titan I am. Example I am. C. Message. User. Success. Close. New message sound. Close.
Like I said, this is basically just ICQ sounds baked into TC, and I don't know why he did that, but he did ICQ.
Elton Link.
Not MSN, but you know what I mean.
Titan. Elton Link. Beta.
And,
Titan. Net. Beta.
AOL. And so on. What do you...
Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Beta. Menu. Contacts. Contacts. Conversations. Forum. Logs. Online users. What's new? Manage my account. What's new? New posts and follow threads. 1. New posts and follow threads. 1. New comments on your blog. 5. New comments.
Can you go through the comments?
Morning blessings broadcast on Radio Selector located in Jakarta. The landmark 2, 2026. The main Elton circle is panel. 3 comments. Audio. The landmark 2. Panel. Playing.
Space plays the audio.
الإسلام وكلمة الإخلاص وعلى دين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه
011.
Back
Pause.
and forward? Yes, you can.
79%, 80%. 780. Mayo error date. New comments on your blog. The main Elton circle has disappeared. Alright, Mayo, you asked for.
Get over here.
Managed blogs. 3 managed blogs. The Blazy blog. 217 posts. A random blog with friends reborn. 187 posts. Morning blessings broadcast on Radio Selector. Panel. 3 comments. Audio. The landmark 2. Mayo error date. Audio paused. Mayo error date. Sounds like an Arabic tune. Landon 205. Nice, well done. George Wu. At the comment. George Wu. At the landmark 2 nice comment. Send.
Yeah, I knew it was...
Panel. Logs. Manage logs. Contacts. Titan app suite. Titan I am. Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Beta. Macros 4 of status stop. Program. Alt plus P. Install data package. I. Component manager. Program settings. Setting. Interface. Invisible interface. Environment. System monitor. Sound. Select sound theme. Windows 9X theme. Voiceover. Ubuntu Longhorn. Default Lingo Classic.
Yeah, I think...
Stereo sounds. Select sound theme. Link default.
It should really...
Automatic translation enabled. Automatic. Settings. Cancel. Save. Select sound. Lingo. Stereo. Sound theme volume 100. Save.
Clango, it should say, but...
Set. Type. Clock.
Oh.
Volume 8. Oh question mark. Volume. No macros found. Status bar. Volume 83%. Volume. Application list 1 of 4. Web browser. Organizer. Notes. Web browser. Multi. 5. Text. Download. 11 lab. Download manager. Text editor. File manager.
This is like a mix of Clango and Longhorn sounds. I don't know.
Multimedia. File manager. Text editor. Game list. Titan I am. Telegram. E. Elton Link. Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Beta. Menu. Contact. Mayo error gun date. Elton Link. Beta.
Yeah, this is...
Titan app.
This already confirms.
Macros 404. No. Status bar. Volume 83%. No macros found. No macro. Status bar. Volume 83%. No macros found. Application list 1 of 4. Application game list 2 of 4. Titan I am. Telegram. Facebook. WhatsApp. Titan E. Elton Link. Beta. Elton Link. Conversations. 96 conversations. Tatomaton. Last message. Tatomaton. Emmett.
Yeah, it basically shows everything for... Yeah, okay.
Contacts. Mitchell. A random Elton group v2.0. Re. General/main.
Unfortunately, I don't think the notification system works with Elton on this client, so I don't think it's gonna get notifications.
File. Refresh. New message. Control plus NS.
Broadcasted from Elton to Titan.
Input F9. Edit.
So,
Elton link. Titan. WhatsApp. Facebook. Telegram. Macros 404. Application list 1 of 4. Application. File manager. Text editor. Program. Install. Component. Programs. Help. Settings. Setting. Interface. Sound. Select sound. Default. Longhorn. Automaton. I think Titan made my Ubuntu Emacs speak. Stereo. Save. Set. Status bar. Volume 83. Application list. Text editor. Text edit. Game list 2. Game. Titan. IM. Macros 404. Application list.
Oh, the notification system is...
Game list 2 of 4. Titan. IM 3 of 4. Macros 4 of 4. Status bar. Volume. Application list 1 of 4. Application list. Game list. Program. Alt plus P. Installed. Titan app. Program. Component manager. Program settings P. Settings. Interface. Sound. Select Longhorn.
Yeah.
Stereo. Select sound theme. Lingo classic. Sound. Save. Can. Set. Titan app suite. Desktop. Type. Edge of table. Taskbar. Feed. Mess. Automaton. If modify system Mitchell. To use invisible interface. Automaton. You can remove %app.a% of Titan DG5 settings. I need to fix this.
Okay.
Automaton.
Okay, it should work. Yeah. I'm gonna...
Taskbar collapsed. Windows Live Messenger.
And if it does work, then it probably saves it as a configuration.
What's task manager? Ops. Mayo. Windows.
Get back.
Titan UI. Games. Application download manager. 11 labs client. Game widgets. Titan status bar. Menu. Macros. Menu. Program set help. Back to exit.
I'm going to just hit exit.
Favorites.
Okay.
Desktop. Titan. 36.
Confirms what I knew. Okay.
Windows Live Messenger 01.
Like 7.
Ops. 30.
Okay.
Filters open. See.
Oh wait, I forgot to go through the other
Titan.
settings. I am dumb.
Welcome to Titan version 0.5.2.1. Status bar. Application list. 11. Status bar. Clock 11:48:11. Game list. Status bar. Game list. Titan IM 3 of 4. Titan IM. Telegram. Program. Alt plus P. Install data packet. XE. Component. Program settings P. Setting. Sound. General. Sound. Interface. Select interface skin. Default. Dark theme. High contrast. Modern blue. Retro. Mod high default. Save. Settings category. Invisible interface. Environment. Announce item index. Announce widget type. Announce first item and category. Save. Announce setting. Environment. Announce screen locking state. Modify system interface. Enable TCE sounds outside environment. Save. Announce settings. System monitor. Volume monitor sound only. Announce battery level every 10%. Monitor charger connection and disconnection. Save. Settings. Titan TTS.
I assume...
Enable Titan TTS.
What TTS engine does it use?
Speech engine 75. Voice Microsoft Anna. English.
Oh.
Speech rate 50. Speech volume. Save. Settings category. Titan TTS. Enable Titan TTS. Set. Windows.
It syncs with your main TTS. Okay.
System volume 83. Disable sound card mute when Titan is running. Save. Set. Macro manager. 40. Macro manager. Announce macro actions with sound. Announce macro actions with speech. Save. Mode 40. Go 15 minutes. Save. Settings. Clock.
I assume...
Enable clock chime. Announce time every 30 minutes. 15 minutes.
I'm gonna set 15.
Save. Setting. Cancel. Save. Set. Titan app suite.
So basically like Elton, it has a clock as well. And now...
Desktop. Titan. 36 of 60. Rav.
Oh,
Task Rav.
it's already exited.
Taskbar collapse.
Okay.
Windows. Ops. 30. Scenes. Add. Manage. Stop recording.
And that was the Titan thing. I'm gonna send, probably send the link to this thing in the description. But, that was it for this video. So, guess see you next time.